In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted pages in Notion. We'll walk through the full flow together, signing in, deleting a page on purpose, and then quickly restoring it from the trash so you know exactly what to do if something goes missing. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion.com. On the home page, look for the Login button, usually at the top right, and click it. For this demo, I'll choose the Google option to sign in. If you prefer Apple or email, just log in the way you normally do. When prompted, select your Google account to complete the sign-in and load your Notion workspace. To demonstrate recovery, I'll first delete a page and then bring it back. I'll use a page called Diagram, but you can follow along with any page you want to test with. Open that page. At the top right of the page, next to the title, you'll see a three-dot menu, the More Options menu. Click it to reveal page actions. From this menu, choose Move to Trash. Don't worry, this doesn't permanently erase the page. In Notion, deleting a page sends it to the trash first, which acts like a safety net so you can recover content if you change your mind. If your page has subpages, they'll move to trash with it. Now let's restore it. Look to your left sidebar and find Trash. It's usually near the bottom of the workspace section. Click Trash to open your list of recently deleted items. You'll see the page you just removed. To bring it back, click Restore on that page. Notion will return it to its original location in your workspace, along with its content and structure intact. If you had it nested inside another page, it should reappear there as well. A couple of quick tips as you work through this. If you don't immediately see the page in Trash, give it a second or use the search bar at the top of Trash to filter by name. In team workspaces, your ability to view or restore items may depend on your permissions. Also, remember that the trash is meant to prevent accidental loss, but it's not a long-term archive. Be careful about emptying trash if you're not absolutely sure. And that's it. You've seen how to sign in, delete a page using the three-dot menu, and recover it from the trash with a single click on Restore. Keep this flow in mind anytime a page disappears. Chances are it's safely sitting in trash, waiting to be brought back.